Hi guys, Brooke here, and today we're going to be drawing a fun monster surprise. This should be good. Let's get started. To get started, we're going to need to fold our paper. So we're going to grab the top and we're going to go ahead and fold that down and carefully line those up. I'm going to hold it here in the middle, and starting in the center, I'm going to just smooth it out. Now I'm going to take the top piece and I'm going to fold it up, lining it up and smoothing it out. And now you can see how our surprise opens. We lift here, it opens up and it comes back down. Now we can start drawing. We're going to start way over here on this side, leaving about 2 finger space, and we're going to make a big half circle coming up and over and touching back down. Starting over here, we're going to extend this line down, curving it in, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to start up here below our line where our paper folds, and we're going to draw a curved line coming down and out. Same thing on the other side, curving down and out. We're going to come back to the bottom over here and we're going to make a U, and we're going to bring it back up, and that's about a finger width space between the 2 lines. Let me fix that right there. Same thing on the other side. We're going to make a U and continue it back up, leaving about a finger space distance between the 2 sides. Next, let's come over here and just continue our circle. Well, it's more of an oval. Continue it as if it just jumped through that arm, and we're going to just curve it over from one side to the other. Next, we want to find the middle of that bottom part of our circle, and we're going to draw a straight line coming down that almost touches the bottom. Then we're going to draw a straight line coming across from one side to the other. From that line over here, we're going to draw a line coming up and curving in. Same thing on the other side, coming up and curving in. And now we're just going to attach that little curve by doing a diagonal coming up. And same thing on the other side, a diagonal coming up. Now up here, we're going to make one giant eyeball, but the important part is to not go below the fold. So this is only on the top part of our fold, and we want to make sure we don't go below the fold onto the bottom piece of paper. So we make a nice big circle, and I'm going to smooth the edges of mine and thicken it up a little bit by going around and just thickening it and making it a little bit smoother. There we go. Now starting on the bottom a little to the right, I'm going to do another circle with the bottom connected. Inside that circle, I'm going to draw another circle and then another one that's a little smaller. And there's his eyeball. So we're going to come up here next, and up on top, we're going to make him a little horn. So he's just going to have a nice sharp horn or spike on top of his head. Over on this side, on the top paper, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 little freckles. Same thing on the other side, 1, 2, 3 little freckles. And starting just inside of those freckles, I'm going to draw a curved line coming down. Same thing from the other side, a curved line coming down. And now I connect those to make a smile. Oh, how fun is that? Now the little bit of our smile ended up on that top paper, and that's what we're going to use to connect the top to the bottom. So now that we've opened our paper, we're going to start up here and we're going to make a line curving in and out to connect. Same thing on the other side. We're going to go in, out, and connect. Now up on top, we want to make sure we start this below the crease, the fold line, and we're going to make another smiley face that just curves down and up for the top of his mouth. Coming down here right by our center fold, I'm going to draw a little mountain coming up and down and stopping. It's right in the center where we stopped. And then I'm going to come about halfway up and make a second mountain that connects to the side. That's his big giant tongue. Now I want to come up here and I'm going to draw a line coming down and another line coming down. And those kind of split center. And then I draw a nice circle U to connect those. Oh my gosh, we're so close. Next, we're just going to come onto the outside and finish his body. We're going to just curve in and out and connect. And do the same thing on the other side. In and out and connect. There we go. All right. Now I'm closing my paper back up and I just want to finalize my smile and make sure it's nicely lined up. And now I can open it and I've got the silly monster with his tongue hanging out. And when I close it, I've just got a small, sweet looking monster with a sweet smile. Isn't that fun? Before we wrap this up, I want to add one little thing. When we open it up, I want to come over here and just add a few circles for spots. I'm going to do 3 on each side. Well, now, of course, we have to color. Ready to see my final drawing. There is our monster, but wait, and there's the surprise. I've had so much fun doing this drawing with you. I hope you had a great time, and I'm sure your monster came out just awesome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you again for another How to Draw. Bye.